want to talk to you about how broke people versus how rich people treat their payday. Hey guys, welcome back to another Community Touch Minisode. These minisodes are here to help you with your finances, your mindset, and your careers. In this video, I'm going to tell you how you should manage your payday so that you can avoid the poverty cycle, you can avoid staying broke, and you can start to now build wealth. The first thing you're going to do is create a money management system. I feel like in every single video, I always talk about having a money management system, and it's simply because it's the first step towards financial freedom. You have to know what's coming into your account and you have to know what's going out of your account. Now, I know not everybody gets paid on a monthly basis. You can do it on a weekly basis if your pay changes every week. A 2-week basis, whatever you want. You just need to know the figures of what is coming in and what is going out, and you also need to know the dates of all of your bill payments. My own personal hack is that I set all of my bills to come out on the same day that I get paid. Obviously there are certain bills you can't choose the exact date, so I'll choose the closest date to my payday. I get paid on the 15th of each month. Most of my bills come out on the 15th when I get paid, so I don't even see that money in my account because as soon as I get paid, the bills are coming out. And then I only have about, I think it's 3 more bills. So my Wi-Fi gets taken out between the 15th and 18th of each month. My council tax is on the 18th, and then my Spotify comes out on the 23rd. So basically within a week, all of my bills are paid. And this is a cheat code to staying ahead with your finances, because guess what? I don't need to worry about having any extra money in my account to cover this bill that's coming up, because it's all already done. The second thing you're going to do when you have your money management system is look at all of the other essential costs that are not bills and make sure that you obviously have money allocated to that. For me, this is TFL, getting breakfast and lunch when I go to work, getting my hair done, my nails done, stuff like that. Stuff that I pay for every single month and make sure that the money is allocated for it. Oh, and I also forgot to say, like, car costs, that will come out of my essential costs. Another thing that I do is I make sure that I pay myself every single month, and I pay myself through savings and investments. Currently, I save £200 a month and I invest £315 a month. The £315 a month actually comes straight out of my paycheck because my workplace has a stocks and shares scheme. So I put £165 of my money and my workplace puts in another £150. Altogether, I'm saving £515 a month. And then on top of that, I'm also getting my interest in my savings accounts. I save my money in a cash ISA, a high yield savings account, and a stocks and shares ISA. Another thing that I do, I always put money aside for random things that are going to happen throughout the year. So this includes holidays and birthday gifts, not just for myself, but for my family and friends. I'll give you an example, right? One of my friends' birthdays is coming up at the end of this month. I don't have to worry about, oh my gosh, I've got to find like however much money to pay for my friend's birthday gift. I literally just take it out of my pot and I'm like, yeah, let's spend that. And that way it feels like I'm not even spending my own money because I'm literally just taking it out of one place and spending it. So it's not money that I thought was spending money for myself, because I separate out my spending money and I separate out my money for gifts and holidays and stuff like that. And then lastly, you are going to give yourself a spending budget. Notice how I said a spending budget. You don't just spend frivolously. Make sure you have a certain amount of money that you know, yeah, like this is the money that I've worked hard for. This is the money that I'm going to use to enjoy. Call it fun money, play money. Usually I give myself between £300 and £350 a month. And this is to cover literally going out with my friends or family. That's it. Because through my money management system, every single thing is covered. Another thing to do is make sure that you have 3 separate bank accounts. I have my bank account that I get paid into and all my bills come out of. I call that my serious bank account because serious things are squanning in there, yeah. And then I have my savings accounts. These are with completely different banking institutions, and I transfer my money into those accounts. And for me, it's a thing of out of sight, out of mind. Once I've transferred that money over and I can't see it in my serious bank account, I'm just like, oh yeah, like the money is gone, forget about it. Let the interest build it up. And then lastly, I use Monzo for my spending. Now, the reason I use Monzo is because it's very, very easy for me to track my spending. I do have different pots within my Monzo. So within my Monzo, that's where I have my car pot, which is where I just put £100 a month, and that will go towards insurance, road tax, MOT and repairs. I also have my holiday pots in there, my gift pots, basically anything that I'm just kind of spending money on. That all goes into my Monzo. It's so easy to navigate. And if you want to use my referral code for Monzo, it's going to be in the description below. Having a different bank account for your spending, again, it just makes things so much easier because I've got that £300 or £350 a month. Every time I'm spending money, I know exactly how much money I have left over to spend just for like casual spending. And it frees the mind so much because I don't ever have to worry about, oh my gosh, do I have enough money to cover my bills? No, they're taken care of. Do I have enough money to cover like my transport, my food, my groceries? No, that's all taken care of. This is all in my serious bank account. Do I have enough money to save? Yeah, it's all taken care of. And another thing that I do that a lot of people don't do is I actually do budget out my spending. So every time I agree to an activity with one of my friends or my family, then I just put that money away into a separate pot. I might go for a night out with the girls. Once I've made the plan, I put £50 into a separate pot and I'm just like, yeah, girls night. So every single pound that I'm spending is accounted for. And once I've taken that money out and the day comes, again, I'm not scrambling for money because the money is already taken care of. Just to summarize what you should be doing on payday, number one, have your money management system. If you need help creating a money management system, send me a message on Instagram or on TikTok and we can get you booked in for a financial health assessment. We will create a 100% personalized budget for you that you can use on a weekly or monthly basis. Number two, know exactly how much your essentials are for that month. These could be variable costs, so make sure that you work it out. Number three, make sure you've got money put aside for your savings. You have to get to a position where you pay yourself. If you're not good at transferring money, set up standing orders so that it's done automatically every single month. And then number four, have a separate bank account for your spending. This exact method is what helped me to save £10,000 a year for 3 consistent years. If I can do it, you can do it too. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share with everyone.